Hey guys, this is Anya. This video I'd like to show you guys about the Cooper busbar to connection the battery module by different assemble way. In previous, I have recommended to you guys about our stock of the Cooper busbar for EV standard. Different size all available. Different size. Different size. And today we are testing the different placement direction will use different size of the bus bar, and you can see our technique now is working for the first assemble. This is the small one. The size of the bus bar, the size of the bus bar is 38 millimeter. And it is very thick Cooper, pure Cooper. And he will put here and the connection the next bus bar. This type is flexible, and this one is hard. You cannot bend it, but this one it is flexible, just like this one. It is flexible, so it is. Okay, this is the final one. This is small bus bar to connection both of the module together in this way. Now it is finished for this pack. We use 1, 2, 3, 4 small bus bar, and this one, and another is the flexi one to connection the 8 type together. Okay, we also have such way. This is 这个是什么？
这也是线，这是正常是总正和总负啊。接出去连到这个外箱这里面。然后它这里有个插口接到电机上面了。
This is the wire for to connect the positive and the negative, and connect with the case. For example, you assemble a pack for EVs, and you need to output the positive and output the negative. Then this wire is to connect in the output positive and the output negative. It is a new wire, and it is very heavy. And also we have this one. This is the new. It is the standard size. If you make your EV car replacement or make your new EV car, this one is very suitable because no matter the quality or the price, it is very suitable. So if you need the wire and the bus bar and the battery module, you can contact with us freely, because we can provide a high quality battery module with good competitive price, and also we can support the bus bars in a very cost-effective way. If you want to know more details about it, please contact with our sales freely. Bye bye.